Welcome to the Midtown Chimney series, Why We Inspect, with myself, Byron on the Rooftop, your host, as we inspect fireplaces and chimneys across America with problems and issues ranging from bird nests and direct vent flues, clearance to combustibles on solid fuel burning appliances, and much more.
Most homeowners never think about the chimney cap, but that little piece of metal is one of the most important things protecting your home. On this inspection, we found the pipe just below the furnace's aluminum cap had completely failed. The metal had corroded through, leaving a gap large enough for rain to get straight into the double-wall type B pipe. In some cases, the cap blows off entirely. This one was sitting on the roof when we arrived. The flue had been completely open. Without a cap, animals can get in. This is what we found inside. The homeowner had no idea.
And that's exactly why we inspect. Most customers have no idea what's actually going on in their chimney till someone actually takes a look. I'm Byron with Midtown Chimney. If you haven't had your chimney inspected in a while, give us a call. We'd love to help. Sweep, inspect, trust. Oh, and don't forget to feed the Google monster by clicking like and subscribe if you would, please.